Hi everybody, welcome back. It's a beautiful day here in Wisconsin and I'm ready to make another recipe with you. I'm wearing my vintage Where's the Beef apron. It is fall here in Wisconsin and it's actually been really hot here. We're finally going to get some cool weather after today, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to make the recipe that I'm making today, because it is comfort food. It's a casserole and it is hot and hearty and comforting. The definition of comfort food. Something that we eat a lot of here in the Midwest, especially during the colder months of the seasons. Today I'm making the recipe for my grandma's Tater Tot Casserole. Casseroles are still a real staple in the Midwest. I grew up eating them, particularly this casserole recipe, and actually this was my grandma's recipe, so my mom grew up eating it as well. In fact, I was talking with her about this yesterday and she said, I swear my mom made that recipe once a week. And I looked at her and I said, so did mine, because my mom made this all the time. So this is the recipe I'm going to make for you today, and as you can tell, I am pretty excited about it, and I can't wait to share this family favorite with all of you. All right, let's get baking. The first thing we're going to do is put our ground chuck in a pan and sprinkle some minced dried onions over the top. Give her a good sprinkle there. That looks good. Now we're going to brown our hamburger. In case you were wondering, where's the beef? Here it is. I've drained the grease and our ground beef is all set. Now we're ready to put our casserole together. The first step is to put our ground beef into the bottom of the pan. You can see my vintage Sylvester and Tweety pot holders there. They are very old, but they're still awesome. At least in my opinion. Now we're going to spread the ground beef out evenly throughout the bottom of the pan. Be sure to get it in those corners. I should mention that my nephews love this recipe too. They are 4th generation tater tot casserole eaters. The next step is to take our can of French-style green beans, which I have drained, and we're going to spread those out on top of the casserole as well. Make sure you get them nice and even. It's time for the tots. Oop, I found one that has a little bit of a bad spot on it. I will take care of that one. We're gonna arrange our frozen tater tots on top of the green beans. Be sure to put the tots as close together as you can, just like you're making a puzzle, because that's gonna make a nice flat surface for the next step in our casserole making process. It's looking really good so far, just one more step to go. The last step in putting together our tater tot casserole is to take our cream of chicken soup and to spread that evenly over the top of our tots. Be sure to get the soup all the way out to the edges of the pan, and to actually push the soup up against the edges of the pan to make a nice seal. You might notice that I am not spreading the soup all across the top of the casserole. I'm going to do it to about 2/3 of the way across. Not everyone in my family can eat the cream of chicken soup, and some of them don't like it as well. I actually can't eat the soup anymore. I have a dairy issue that prevents me from doing that. I still love the taste of cream of chicken soup. I just can't have it anymore. It's almost done, and I think it looks wonderful. Next, we're going to bake this uncovered at 350 degrees for 60 minutes. Our casserole just came out of the oven, and it's perfect. It's time to try our tater tot casserole, and I put mine in a bowl here. It's just easier. If you want to be all fancy, you can eat it on a plate. Do whatever you want to do. All right, I got part of a tot, some green bean, and some ground beef. Let's give it a taste. It's still just as good as it always was. And you can see that I did not eat the kind that had the soup on it. I ate the kind without. Because of my dairy issue, I can no longer eat the soup, but it doesn't matter. It's still delicious. If you have an issue where you can't eat the soup either, or you don't like the soup, you can always put ketchup on top of it. That's good too. And sometimes I can have some sharp cheddar cheese, just a little bit. So I will sprinkle some sprinkles on the top. And that's really, really good too. Now, if you ever have any questions about the recipes that I'm making, just ask me in the comments and I will get back to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching today. If you would like to share or talk about your own hot dish recipe or tater tot casserole recipe, then again, just let me know in the comments. I would love to share those with you. Please give this video a thumbs up. That really helps. Definitely subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. I just lit my burner. Oh. Of course. Ow, I got shocked. Holy moly.
I've had that happen. That thing's crooked. It's on there bad.
Is that right now?
I think so.
This is a cry. It's filming. You can hear my bread machine going in the background. There's bread making, so it's kneading the bread right now. I hope that's not distracting. It distracted me, I can tell you that. Seriously, it's almost supper time and I'm hungry, so I'm eating more. Don't judge me.